Hey guys, if you need a working Hostinger coupon code, stop right now and click the link in my description. That is the only way to guarantee you get the best Hostinger discount code available today. Do not waste your time searching for random Hostinger promo code lists online, because most of those are either expired or completely fake. My link automatically applies the exclusive Hostinger deal the second you click it, so you get the maximum Hostinger hosting discount without typing anything manually. Here's exactly how to get Hostinger coupon code savings in 2026. When you use my link and land on the pricing page, the prices already look decent. But this is where most people make a mistake. You need to actually select your plan and go to checkout. That is when the real discount kicks in. The Hostinger coupon code 2026 offer activates in your cart and drops the price by another 20%. If you skip my link and just browse their website normally, you will never see that extra discount. You will literally be overpaying for the exact same hosting. Now, let me tell you why Hostinger is worth it. Whether you are starting a blog, building a business website, or launching an online store, they make everything simple. You get one-click WordPress installation, a clean, easy dashboard, and even an AI website builder that creates professional sites for you automatically. Plus, you get free SSL security, free backups, and a free domain included. You're not paying extra for basic features that should already be included. For most people, I recommend the premium plan because it gives you the best value without overpaying for features you do not need yet. And if your site grows later, you can always upgrade. Plus, Hostinger gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is literally zero risk to try it out. So here is what you need to do right now. Click my link in the description to activate the best Hostinger coupon available today. Lock in the lowest price with the official Hostinger discount code and stop overpaying for hosting. This is how to get Hostinger discount code savings that actually work. Do not wait because these deals change all the time. Click the link now and get your website started with the maximum discount.